We're off, and this is a contest sure to please football fans worldwide. Let's see what surprises are in store for us in this one.
That was a poor pass.
Some good running off the ball, putting the pressure on. This could be a chance for an opening goal. With his head! It's in! Goal! What a start! In the opening minutes of the game. It went straight down the middle. They scored at such an early stage of the game, Trevor.
Yes, they look confident today. It's too early to decide the game, and there's plenty of time for the opposition to turn it round.
One-nil, but can they hang on to this lead? You have to wonder if they're happy to keep things as they are. Ball given away. Can he find his man? In the safe hands of the keeper. That is sloppy play. Finds a teammate. Well, he went for the shot, but it just wasn't good enough.
Maybe he wasn't hungry enough for the goal there. Well, he instinctively read the pass.
Breaking through. Now what can he do? Hits one. It's a corner as the keeper punches that one. Whips it in. Goal kick. Couldn't put it away there, but not a bad effort. Knocks it through. Ball given away there. There's a chance for a cross here.
That's a well-timed clearance.
Possession gained there. And they've got behind the fullback. Clear. Can he get a clean strike here? Fantastic goal! That doubles their advantage. Great goal from the forward. So with the lead extended, let's see if some complacency might just creep into the side. That was a nice move leading up to the goal, Trevor.
Yes, he was onto the through ball in a flash.
Trevor, what did you make of that goal?
I think that's boosted their confidence no end, Peter.
Although 2-0 now, they can't get too complacent. And he has a go from there. Not even close, perhaps a loss of concentration there.
Well, some of the crowd thought that one was on its way in, and what a goal it would have been.
Almost 30 minutes gone. And they still have possession here. It's clear. Surely he can't miss. And he tries one. No, that was never going to go in.
It's very difficult to keep absolute concentration in situations like that.
Dealt with that threat well. Looking for support now. He's gone for goal. Keeper's ball. Flag was up, just caught offside there. Good call though by the assistant referee. And he has a go from there. Cut out by the defender. 5 minutes left in the first half. Now here's a chance. It's come back off the post. No way through this time. Still in possession here. He's looking for a free man. A strike. The keeper's got it. There will be 2 additional minutes to be played. And he shoots from there. Cut out by the defender. Robbed there, too casual. To the man in space. Into the glove to the keeper. The referee blows for the end of the first half. The players head off into the dressing rooms for their half-time team talks. What's your analysis of the game, Trevor?
Well, I know all that matters is the scoreline, but I think they need to make better use of space, or else their fortunes may change in the second half.
And as the players return to the dressing rooms, it's 2-0 as we await the second half. Second half underway, but will it be better than the first? The sides have been changed for the second half. Pushing further forward. Had the ball now. Looking around for support. And he belts it.
Another shot blocked by the keeper.
They must be wondering what they have to do to beat this goalkeeper today. They're moving well down the right-hand side.
This looks like a chance here.
Would an attack down the right side be worth it? It's gone for the centre. Danger here. Over the bar. Not really threatening the goalkeeper there.
He maybe didn't connect properly on the shot, but well done for trying.
Clear. Good teamwork there. Finds his man in space. The defence has done well so far. From way out. Oh, millimetres away.
Well, you know, Peter, I wonder whether if the shot was on target, the goalkeeper actually would have got to it. I don't think so.
Struck it from distance. And it's out, but came off the defender. It's into the face of goal. Didn't give it away. Advancing on goal here. And passes the ball back. Holds on to the ball. Stopped him illegally there. The goalkeeper makes the decision to come forward and collects the ball. And he's going for it.
Well, the keeper couldn't catch it, but punched it to safety and out for a corner now.
Who's waiting in the middle? Remarkable goal! They've closed the gap for just a single goal. It hit the right post and went in. They have the momentum now.
The shot took a wicked deflection after hitting the post. The keeper was totally helpless.
They're just one goal down, Trevor. Do you think this will change things?
Definitely, Peter. That goal is certain to open things up again.
Poorly timed challenge. And he goes for it. Astonishing goal. They've now conceded 2 successive goals without reply. You don't see that too often.
So it'll be interesting to see if they can build on the momentum from that and get another. A great effort. Took a lot of nerve to have a go from there.
They've got back on level terms, Trevor.
Yes, but I can't see that being the end of the action. Neither side wants a draw, and I think we'll see them both go all out for the win.
Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. Knocks it past the defence. And surely he must score. He punched the ball to safety. The keeper decides the best option is to punch it, and out it goes for the corner. Drives it to the middle. And, oh, what a goal! They've let in another one. 30 minutes played in the second half. He scores his second goal of the day.
You know, I wouldn't rule out a hat-trick the way he's shaping up.
It was such a good shot, wasn't it, Trevor?
A superb shot indeed. So this is what happened in front of goal.
Were there any signs of them making this kind of comeback, Trevor?
Certainly they've looked sharper, their passing's been better. They've really stepped up a gear.
Concedes a free kick with a ferocious challenge. It's a yellow card. It was a bad tackle, and the referee has taken exception to it and says that is bad enough for a booking. The right-hand channel is an option. They're in a good position down the right. Boom, header on goal! And the header, it's in! They've now conceded 2 successive goals without reply. A magnificent header. How did you see that finish, Trevor?
Well, he was in the right place, a smashing headed goal.
(4-2) here, a 2-goal lead now. Down the line. Threads it through perfectly. Punched away and out for a corner. Whip that in towards goal. Superbly done. They are completely in control of the game now. Just 5 minutes from the end. And he's got another one.
A goal like that will always give your team a huge boost.
They've opened up a 3-goal lead. Surely that's game over, Trevor.
You'd have thought so. It's been a fine all-round performance.
Can he find his man? Can surely put it away. Surely this time. Another chance. A terrific goal. They concede another. Just a few minutes before the end of the game. The goal came from the forward. It was such a good shot, wasn't it, Trevor?
Yes, that was an absolute classic.
They're 4 up. It's turning into a mauling. He's on the rampage. He's gone for goal. Will he find the space? There's the whistle and the flag is up. He was just caught offside there. From way out.
Well, the keeper there deciding the best option is to punch it clear, but it's a corner.
Who's waiting in the middle?
A good delivery needed here.
Is there room for a shot? Really good punch by the keeper. That'll be another corner. It's into the face of goal. Fantastic goal. And that gave them a comfortable lead. In injury time. That's the hat-trick.
What an incredible all-round performance.
That was incredible, Trevor.
Yes, both sides are giving 110%. This has been an impressive contest.
There's the final whistle. Their win did look very unlikely at one stage. They have done very well to come from being a goal down to win the match.
Oh, exactly, Peter. They've worked hard, never gave up, and as a result, they've got their reward. A very fine display.
They certainly earned that win. And that's really it for the broadcast this afternoon. Many thanks to Trevor beside me.
I've enjoyed it. Thanks, Peter.
And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Thank you.